y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys what I use to do my silk press. This is the Jamaican Back Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. This is the Moisture Miracle from African Pride. Those are the products I'm going to be using to wash my hair to make sure that it's nice and clean for this silk press, because it's silk press season, sis, so we know we gotta come correct. So this is all the shed hair that I gained for having a wig for about a month and a half. Not bad. So I use Uncle Funky's thermal protection for my hair to blow dry, and I use the Revlon paddle brush to blow dry my hair. Make sure that it's good. I use it on high. Trust me, I know that we're not supposed to blow dry our hair right when it's wet, but to stretch it out a little bit. I didn't have time, and I honestly didn't feel like it, so I'm just gonna blow dry my hair straight like that. I combed the thermal protection all throughout my hair, make sure that it's saturated, and yeah, this took me about like 15 minutes, y'all. I love this Revlon blow dryer, it's amazing. The Gussie or Goosey, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, their straightener. I love this thing. I put it the temperature at, I want to say 410 or 420, the highest setting, because my hair is real thick, y'all. So I wanted to make sure that I got it as silk as humanly possible. I know I'm probably gonna have some heat damage, but that's okay. I don't care. I just wanted my hair to be straight, but that's the temperature that I put it on. Make sure you put the temperature of your straightener to your hair type, because I don't need y'all getting heat damage because of me, all right? Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is how my silk press is looking right now, but I am going to fix it. I use flexi rods to just kind of give it some volume, but what I should have done is wrapped my hair because it's too fluffy. Like, I don't mind the curl and stuff like that, but it's just too fluffy for me. And like, y'all, I don't know if you guys can see, but like on the edges, I'm starting to have grays. This is what happens when you got kids. They start to give you grays, honey, and that's not cute. So I'm gonna fix it. We'll see how this is going. We'll see how long this is gonna last, because like it has been raining all week. And it's just kind of like, but why? Why is it raining when I am trying to silk press my hair? I hope this is recorded. Like, that's all. That's it. Like, I'm not asking for too much. Okay, we are going to fix it. Okay, I am using Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection. It's their 3-in-1 Shine Booster. I'm literally just using just a bit here, not a whole lot, because we don't want to weigh down the hair. Just rubbing that in. Comb it out. Define my middle part. I'm using the Tymo straightener. It's the comb straightener. To get my roots.
That's where I struggle with the most with this, is the roots of my hair. And like, I've used a hot comb, I've used all of these things, and it's like, for some reason, it's just not, it just wasn't working out. Granted, I'm not a professional, but dang, you know? So my hair is probably gonna be heat damaged, but that's okay. Okay? Like, look at this movement, honey. Okay? Period. Okay, and I'm gonna come back when it's all, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do it, okay? Just trying to give you something smoky, I'll do it for you. I'm just trying to give you something. Together, because the middle has always been the problem area for me, because where my hair is like the thickest is the crown of my head. So if I can get through that, I can get through anything, honey. Now don't get this thing twisted, it gets hot. Okay, it gets real hot, but it doesn't burn you, which I love. That's how you do it, shawty. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. You know, it's still kind of poofy, you know, but it's okay. I like it. It's not as poofy as it was before, so I think it's cute. What y'all think? That's how you can get your silk press at home, y'all. My roots are still super puffy, but it's okay. I think after I wrap it, it should be fine. But you know, I got a little length or whatever, and it's okay. I guess because like my hair is so thick, because I've been using the Do Grow Mega Thick Fertilizer. I've been using this. So this is what I've been using for my hair to grow, which is probably why it's like still thick and not sleek, which is fine. But yeah, y'all, see y'all in the next video. Bye.